Hey guys, Kevin Fada here, and welcome back. In this video training, we're going to be using Discord and we're going to be using BlueWillow along with keyword training. Below this video, you'll be able to download the keyword list. Now, a lot of people might be asking, Kevin, why are you not using Mid-Journey? Well, I suppose reason number one, it's a pet product. I found BlueWillow is very similar and it's free. And reason number two, there's going to be changes with Midjourney. There's consistent changes over the last few months. And I think two of my marketing friends had put out training and products on Midjourney and it completely changed things around again. So I wanted to keep it as relevant as possible. I didn't want the training to be outdated. The minute I put it out, that's one important thing. And then I said again, the second would be, this is free. It does everything I want. So that's going to be lesson one in this. Lesson two in this is going to be the keywords. What you'll learn from this keyword training will apply to regardless of what AI image generator you want to use. It's basically how to create a prompt to give you what you want. And it's something you could say I struggled on for a while until I really got into it and started to understand what the software wants in order to get the best possible result. For example, if you put in a photo of a beach, you're going to get pretty much anything. It could be a low quality cartoon photo of a beach, but if you're more descriptive about what you actually want, it'll make it easier. Now, the way I've been doing this, there's different little tricks and hacks you can use, but again, if you feed ChatGPT the right information, you're going to get the right solution, and then you're going to get prompts that you can actually use. Now, the next thing I keep in mind, what I've done here is I've given you prompt keywords for AI images, such as these are the type of keywords that will make the images stand out. They'll make them dreamy, they'll make them blissful, surreal, powerful, everything like this. I've got there's 150 keywords here in total. And then you've got different types of angles: close-up shot, wide shot, reflection shot, have negative spades, have lighten, have a zoom in. These are all the things you can add to your prompt as well. And then you've got, captivating words, basically, and blissful, poetic, etc., etc. So when you add these, again, you're going to get better quality. And then the final little trick is that you could use the type of cameras. Say I would like a picture shot with a Sony camera that is whatever, that is joyful, surreal, poetic, and it's got a beautiful scenery in the background. And then you could decide what you want. I want it of trees, I want it of a car, I want it of a person. So this is going to help you with this. The next thing is, along with this, you can come along and ask ChatGPT to write you a prompt. Now, for example, let me just give you an example here. Provide me 10 terms. Okay, create me a prompt for the perfect beach photo. So here you've got it. That you can just copy and paste it in rather than just say, here, give me a photo of a beach. That's lesson one. Right, so let's head over to BlueWillow and see how this works. Basically, you can log in for free, and I'm just going to do this from start to finish for you guys. Accept invite. And you notice there's some rooms that you'll be allowed to post in, and there's some that you will not. So the little trick here is just use the rookie rooms. Now, I'll just give you an idea of some of the images that we've been creating with different AI tools and just experimented, getting absolutely awesome results. And again, it's trial and error. The more you get used to using the prompts and the keywords, the better results you are going to get. So, okay, so down here, you've got all these rookie rooms. All you need to do is go to any one of these. If you notice one room there's a lot of people in and there's a bit of delay, just switch to another room. With this, I noticed the restrictions. I think I was allowed 10 new images every single day. Again, it's free and it's absolutely fine. If you do subscribe, you can upgrade and get more options and more images, etc. Right, so how to create a prompt. You just click / and this imagine prompt will come up. And then whatever you would like, you type in here. So let's go with, let's take this for example. enhancing. We'll just use notepad file. So we can go with this. Enchanting and capturing close shoot, breathtaking photo taken with a Sony Alpha 1 camera of a young man in an office. So let's say we want to go with something like that. We can just take this now, bring it over to Discord, and click paste. And generally, less than a minute, your photo will come up. And here you can see, you can type subscribe to see the options. We'll just type that and show you guys the options. Okay, perfect. Well, here we've got our photos at the same time. So with these options here, guys, you can create, for example, if I like image number 1, I would like to create 4 new variations of image number 1. And again, it's only going to take less than a minute. It should come up. They should have given me the subscription details here as well. So here you got, here is the subscriptions. $20 a month gives you 200 prompts per day. And $10 per month, 100 prompts per day, $5 per month, 50 prompts per day. So it is reasonably cheap, guys. It's only $5 per month to actually upgrade. Again, I'm more than happy with the free one if I can use 10 prompts a day. I've just got so many AI tools out there that you can mix and match between them as well. So here we go. This is our delivery. So it's that simple. I'm obviously I'm not going to spend a whole day creating prompts and stuff like that for you, but in the next video I'm going to show you a site where there's 12 million prompts that you can just copy and paste and use. But here's what I've learned from this, guys. If you get into this site, just kind of study it a little bit. Look at what other people are writing. Realistic hands with Jesus. Realistic Jesus with black beard and gift in his hand. Again, they could have made that to improve it, make it an 8K photo with a realistic background shot with a Sony camera. But you can learn from everyone else as well, from the good and the bad. As you can see, if you look at this one, enter a visual wonderland, explore the capillary flicker high side. Each photo is a testament of the artist's keen position, transparent mirrors, blah, 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 blah. You can see they're putting in massive, detailed prompt. And with a massive detailed prompt, you're going to get an absolutely awesome photo in that sense. So, okay, that is it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next video.